Hey guys, it's Colton with Grande Prairie Nissan, and with the winter season coming up here, I'm going to go over the 2 remote starts that come with Nissan products. Now, they're not on every single one, but they are available, and these are the ones that are from factory. So first and foremost is the most common one. This is one on the fob, and how this one works is all you have to do is hit lock and then hold the top button of the little remote start button for 5 seconds, and that's going to fire up your car. It's going to run for 10 minutes. You can do that twice before you actually have to go over and actually drive your vehicle to reset it. The other one is on more of the fancier ones. It's called My Nissan. It actually looks like this little guy here. You can open that up. Now, this is perfect for somebody who works at like a hospital or school or big buildings where you need the range that can't go through the concrete buildings and stuff like that. But it's got lock, unlock, remote start lights. You can flash the horn. It tells you where your car is and all that other stuff. But even if I was in Mexico and wanted to start my car here in Alberta, all I would have to do is hit this little button here. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to remote start it? You hit yes. Now, it takes about a minute, but in a minute, it's going to start up a timer saying 10 minutes, and my car is going to run for 10 minutes, and same thing. I can do that twice before I physically have to start the car, but it's great. And as you can see, it started. So that's pretty much how the 2 factory remote starts work. If you have any questions on which models actually have which remote start, feel free to give me a call at Grande Prairie Nissan, 780-532-8040. And again, my name is Colton, and we'll see you next week.